Okay, quasi-judicial, yung meaning at saka examples of quasi-judicial bodies in the Philippines. So, yung quasi-judicial, yun yung entity or body or structure na mayroong judicial power. Judicial power meaning meron silang power to decide on anything, no? Halimbawa nitong quasi-judicial is yung civil service, yung BSP Monetary Board. So, ibig sabihin, kapag empleyado ka ng gobyerno, yung civil service ang pwede mag-decide kung dapat natanggalin sa serbisyo. Siyempre, with regards to monetary concerns, BSP yan. Yung agrarian reform, meron silang quasi-judicial power kasi yung ano sa lupa yung mga land, yung mga agricultural land. And then, siyempre, yung SSS commission. Yan. Yung lahat ng desisyon ng SSS, meron silang quasi-judicial function na pwede silang mag-decide para doon sa benefit ng miyembro at saka ng employer, ganyan. Pwede silang mag-decide yan kasi meron silang quasi-judicial power. Pwede ka nilang parusahan or anything, lalo na pag hindi ka naghuhulog ng tama. And then, yung pinaka matindi example, dahil election period ngayon, COMELEC. So, yung COMELEC, kung maalala nyo yung COMELEC and Bank, diba? Yun yung example na meron silang quasi-judicial power. Kasi pwede silang mag-decide on any situation. Meron din silang police power during election time o election period o election year. Yeah? So, yan, butit nalalaman natin yung quasi-judicial na yan. At saka quasi-judicial bodies dito sa Pilipinas. No? So, ano yan, no? So, yun yung importanteng nalalaman natin. Importanteng nalalaman natin ngayong araw na to. Which is, I think, very important, very educational, very informative. So, yun lang po.